Welcome to Precision Academic World. In today's math class, we'll be learning expansion of algebraic expression. This is our official WhatsApp contact, and here is our email address. My name is Mr. Johnson. I will be your instructor for this class. Okay, we'll have an exercise, and we are going to do this together. Expand the following algebraic expression. Okay, for the first one, that's number one, we have y brackets 2 plus m plus w. Okay, now in expansion, what you simply do is use this single value you have here to multiply everything you have inside this bracket or parenthesis. So you multiply them one after the other. So in expanding, so let's expand. You have y multiplied by 2 plus, so you've done the first part using this to multiply this. Second one, y multiplied by m plus, you've done the second one, y multiplied by w. From these very points, y multiplied by 2, I like to arrange this thing in a logical order, or I like values to come before variables, so it becomes 2y. If you write y2, it's still the same thing. Just know that whenever values and variable multiply, they just come together. Now y multiplied by m is you can say ym, but I want to say my because while reading the ABCD or your alphabet, m always come before y. So, and then y multiplied by this is wy. I can also say yw. It doesn't change anything. So this is our final answer. That's it. So what we simply did here was that we used what we had outside the bracket to multiply every value inside the bracket. So, and that's it. So we use this y outside the bracket to multiply every of the values. So use y to multiply this, and all that. Let's go for the next question. So questions number 2 says 3 brackets p plus 2g. Okay, let me just write my plus. Okay, 3 brackets p plus, so use this 3 to multiply this like we did before, and as well use this 3 again to multiply what we have here. So from here we'll have 3 multiplied by p plus 3 multiplied by 2g. At this very point, 3 multiplied by p just gives you 3p plus 3 multiplied by 2g. First of all, do 3 multiplied by 2 is what? 6, and then g will just join. You know, when you multiply values and variables, they just come together. So here we are having 3p plus 6g, and that's very simple. Let's go for the third question. Question number 3, m brackets m minus 3. We are doing same thing like we've been doing. So use this m to multiply first one, and as well use to multiply second one. So first one is m multiplied by m, then you can say minus m multiplied by 3, or there is some other way you can do this, but it will still give you same answer. M multiplied by m, and then you have plus m multiplied by minus 3. Okay, I think I will do both ways, and then we'll still get same value. M multiplied by m, whenever same variable multiply, they will square. M multiplied by m is m squared. So when we have y multiplied by y is going to give us y squared. So when same variables multiply, they will give us what? Squared. They will have to square. But if we had, let's say y multiplied by m, it can give us ym. They'll come together, but if they are same, they will not raise. So this is to say that if we have y multiplied by y multiplied by y, it gives us what? Y cubed turns to 3. So that's what happens when variables of same variable multiply themselves. So from here now, we have m multiplied by 3 is giving us 3m. It's always good you place values before variables. Then now plus times minus is giving you what? Minus. Now if you're not comfortable with this method, I want to use another method. Using this first one, m multiplied by m, then you put minus m multiplied by 3. It's still same thing. So m times m is m squared, and then this will give us what? Minus 3m, because 3 times m is 3m. Then you put the minus. But most important thing here is understand the system we are using. We are using what we have outside to multiply what you have inside. and that's it. For question number 4, it looks a little bit complex, but that's nothing much. Now, this first one, you have 5m plus 2. Now, use this negative sign to multiply everything you have here. So you have minus 2m, and then minus times this plus is again minus, so minus 1. So we use this minus to multiply everything you have inside this bracket. Now, you know you are working with this rule. Same signs gives you positive, and different sign give you negative. So plus times plus is what? Plus. Minus times minus is what? Plus. That is same signs, positive, but plus times minus is minus, and minus times plus is what? Minus. Different signs, negative. So here now you have minus times positive 2, so different signs is what? Negative minus 2m. Now you have minus again times same positive here, that is why it's giving you negative. So different signs gives you negative, same signs give you positive. From here now we can now arrange or collect like terms. Any of it can see arrange or collect like terms. So 5m minus 2m, so we've taken this, we've taken 5n, and we've taken minus 2m. So what are we left with? Right here we are left with plus 2 and minus 1. So let's put it here, plus 2 and minus 1. 5 minus 2 is 3m, right? And then 2 minus 1 is just 1, so plus 1, and we are done. This is our final answer for question number 4, and that's it. Okay, for questions number 5, we have 2 brackets. So what you simply do, use this first bracket to multiply the second bracket. So for the first bracket, to have m, so m bracket, second bracket says w minus 3, and then you have plus 2, right? And then you have w minus 3. So what did we do here? We simply use the first bracket to multiply the second bracket. So in the first bracket we had m, and we also had plus 2. So that's what we are actually doing here. Okay, let's continue. So m, for the first one, have m multiplied by w, and then minus m multiplied by 3. So here we now have plus 2 multiplied by w and minus 2 multiplied by 3. M multiplied by w gives us mw, and then minus m multiplied by 3 is m3, or you can just say 3m. From here, 2 multiplied by w is what? 2w, and here 2 multiplied by 3 is what? 6, and you are done. So just make sure you do the right thing and you don't misplace values. Wow, thank you so much for watching. This is Passion Academic World.